Hello, it's Jeta, and today I'm sharing with you a university haul of all the things that I bought to prepare for university. I am about to start my first year at Bath studying psychology and I'm super excited to start. Do bear in mind, this isn't a sort of what you should pack haul, if that makes sense. I'm only going to be sharing the things that I actually bought. A lot of things I borrowed from my granddad, some things I'm just bringing from home. So this is just the stuff that I bought, and I'm going to do it in categories, and I'm going to start with kitchenware. So I'm not catered for, I've got a shared kitchen, so I did have to kind of fully equip myself on that front. I don't know where I should start. I'll start with like plates and bowls. So I bought these two cereal bowls from IKEA. I think they were 50 or 75p each for all of the like plates and bowls and things. I also bought these two, like, I don't know what these are called, but yeah. Then I bought two smaller sized plates and two bigger plates. I thought it would make sense to buy everything in twos because I don't need very many. I'm just cooking for myself and then like if any friend visits, and two means that if one is dirty then you have the other one, so I thought it was a good number. I'm also going to bring two cups from home and then two mugs, but I did buy one of the mugs that I'm going to bring with me, and I actually love this mug, also from IKEA, and it is beige, which I should probably mention now. A lot of the things I bought are in a sort of beige, white, light green, grey colour scheme. I borrowed cutlery from my granddad, my aunt, and home, like just anyone who had spares, but I did need to buy some smaller spoons, so I just got this pack of 4 from IKEA. Then in terms of kitchen utensils, I got 2 wooden spoons. I got this wooden spatula thing, I think it's called, and then I got these 3 kitchen utensil set things from IKEA as well. Then I bought this glass jug. I don't particularly need it, but I thought it might come in useful, and the main purpose is to hold my kitchen utensils. There was a sort of cup thing in IKEA for that, but it was so big, and I don't need a huge one. So this was like nice and heavy and can hold all of my cutlery and kitchen utensils, and it doubles as a jug obviously, so yeah. I got this plastic bowl. I actually did get this from John Lewis because all of the bowls in IKEA were very large and I needed a smaller one, so yeah. For more kitchen utensils, I got some scissors from IKEA. This from IKEA. This is actually adorable because it's so tiny, but it's like perfect for flipping food. Whisk. This is kind of a funny story, but this is actually from Greece. We bought a whisk while we were on holiday because we needed it, and my mum was like, well, you can just bring this with you to uni, so yeah. Also bought a can opener from IKEA, and my mum bought me this garlic press from Sainsbury's because she said I might need it. I also bought this from IKEA. This might sound a bit unnecessary, but I think in the long run this is going to actually save money. You put this over your plates and bowls when you put stuff in the microwave. We have one of these at home, and it means you don't need to put cling film over things that could like explode in the microwave. And yeah, I'm trying not to buy cling film because it's bad for the environment as well, which is why I also bought quite a lot of Tupperware. So these 2 from IKEA, just small ones for like leftovers and like bulk making food. I also bought these smaller ones and these as well for things like cut avocados and things so that they don't go brown, and yeah, again, so I don't have to use cling film. Then this is the baking tray I bought. Mini salt shakers from IKEA. We bought this 2-piece plastic set from Matalan, which is perfect for meat and fish and things like that. And then I bought this wooden one from IKEA for vegetables and fruit. Bought some sponges from Sainsbury's, and also this from IKEA. It's a reusable kitchen paper roll, so I think you just leave the sheets to dry and then you can just keep using them, and this should save me money, 1, and 2, better for the environment. And finally, this is just a random buy from Waitrose, but one of these like fold up bags so that when I do the shopping I can just always have this with me. So now on to bedding. The big thing that I bought was a duvet. I don't even know if you can see this on camera, but I got this one from Marks and Spencer's because it was 13.5 tog. Then I bought quite a few things from the Any Day line, which is sort of targeted at university students in John Lewis and is very affordable. So I got a pillow protector. I'm actually going to be taking my own pillow from home and swapping it out with a pillow that my granddad has. So I'm just gonna swap out the mattress pillow protectors as well. Then I got 2 lots of fitted sheets. The reason why I had to buy bedding, because I would have just brought my own from home, is that I got given a small double bed in my accommodation. But basically my first option for accommodation had 2 different accommodations as one, and they were 2 different prices, and I got given the more expensive one with the double bed, which I did not need. I mean, I'm not going to complain about it, but yeah, I had to get small double fitted sheets. Then I bought 2 sets of bed sheets from the special buy section in John Lewis. Then from Matalan I got this big bed throw. So I wanted to get like a fleece like bed throw because apparently my accommodation gets very cold at night and in the winter. And so yeah, and it's in a beige colour, which I love, and it just feels so soft and crazy. And I can't wait to snuggle up with this. I also bought a second blanket, this green one from IKEA, just because I've got a armchair thing in the room and it's like a bright purple blue colour. And since I'm not really taking a lot of decoration stuff, so to say, I just want to make sure that all the colours are just neutral and go together, are like a minimalist vibe. So I guess this is sort of decoration that I'll just cover the armchair with. Then I've only got 2 pillows so far. I think I'm just gonna leave it at that and then buy some later on when I get there. But I got this one that has a print of some woodland trees and is green on the other side from Matalan. And I also got this small sheep one from Matalan as well, which is very cute. So now moving on to the bathroom stuff. I do have an ensuite, which I feel so lucky to have. So the first thing I got is this bathroom mat from IKEA. I then got some white hand towels from the John Lewis Any Days line again. The slightly more expensive purchase were my face towels. I have very sensitive acne prone skin, and so I did actually kind of had to invest in some good face towels, so I bought these 2 white ones from Zara. Then I bought this bin from Matalan. My mum also kindly stocked me up on some general bathroom stuff, so surface cleaner, this massive shower gel, shampoos, toilet gels, plasters, painkillers. I also bought some makeup remover and nail polish remover and some cotton wool things, pads, just for myself. Oh, and compostable bin bags. The last sort of bigger thing for the bathroom is this. I haven't built this yet, I'm gonna build it when I get there, but it's one of those IKEA trolleys. It's in white and it's the smaller size to go in the bathroom because there is no sort of storage area there, and I need obviously to put my shower stuff, my toilet rolls, wipes, just general sanitary items and things like that, so I'm gonna put those in there. The only other big thing, which isn't really bathroom stuff necessarily, but I did buy a drying rack from IKEA, which I can't really show on here, but it's a slightly smaller one when it opens out, and I'll probably just store this in my bathroom or something. But the thought here is that maybe I'll spend a little bit less money on drying clothes as well, because oh my gosh, laundry is so expensive. But the other thing is that some clothes nowadays just don't dry in washing machines at all. So yeah, this is kind of unfortunately necessary. Okay, down to the last stuff now. This is, I guess, miscellaneous items. They mainly just go in my desk or bedroom area. But okay, where should I start? I got these hangers from Matalan. They're just green, sort of velvety ones, and it was a very good deal. They're just 20k Came in a pack of 30, but my mum took 10. And yeah, basically my wardrobe situation is that the cupboard is an open cupboard, there's no doors, so I need to make sure that my clothes are neat and tidy so that it doesn't look really bad and messy. So I thought I'd like get a set of all the same colours, and yeah. The other thing for my wardrobe is these storage boxes. I got 2 of these from Matalan, and my thought for this is just to put them in some of the wardrobe shelves so that my clothes are a bit more neat and organised, and I've got 2 of these. To also go in my wardrobe, but on the bottom shelf, I got this wooden crate from IKEA, which I'm gonna build actually here so I can put stuff in here as well to transport. But this is basically for my dry food and snacks that I just want in my room, and just basically more storage. Whilst we're on storage and organisation stuff, I'll just show you the rest of them. But I bought one of these from IKEA. They're just like the plastic storage containers, and then I also bought some of these beige storage containers in 3 different sizes. I can divvy these round in the bathroom and my desk, drawers, bedside table, whatever. These are just versatile and useful. This next thing is slightly embarrassing, but I did buy this stool from IKEA. If you didn't know, I'm very short. I'm like 4'11", but I like to say I'm 5 foot, and since I'm gonna be living alone and being independent, I do actually want to be able to reach things, so this was embarrassingly necessary. Oh, and my laundry basket. I had such a struggle with finding one because they were either too big, too rigid, like not foldable, or just too expensive. But I ended up finding one in H&M, which wasn't too bad, and it's quite big to actually show on camera. This is it folded, but when you open it up, it is slightly smaller. I can't show this fully, but the thing I liked about this is that it does actually stand upright. It has these handles, which means I can actually carry my laundry to the laundry rooms, and it divides in the middle, which means I can put my lights and darks in separate sections. Down to the last few things now. I bought this duster from Matalan, bit random, but yeah. I also bought these coasters from IKEA. I don't really know if you can see what they look like, but yeah. The only decoration I bought was this fake plant and pot from IKEA, which I thought I could put on the shelf on my desk and just add a little bit of colour. And the very last thing is something for YouTube. It's just this compact tripod thing. My dad had a couple of these, which I have been using at home, but his didn't actually fold. It was just like this, so I got the exact same thing, but it, as you can see, you can put your phone, film when you're on the go, and then it folds up and it's tiny and I can fit it in my bag. So yes, that is everything I bought for university. There is a lot of stuff, and oh my goodness, moving out is expensive, but the one thing that is like keeping me sane is the fact that I'm just going to be reusing these things every year, and even beyond that, a lot of these things are very durable, and I really can't see them breaking anytime soon, so I'm going to be using these things for as long as possible. But yes, I hope you've enjoyed this haul. Thank you so much for watching. The next uni related video should be my move-in vlog, which is actually crazy, but yeah, I hope you have a lovely day. Bye. Mwah.